Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a first-class hot rod right here, folks. This is a genuine 1940 Ford Deluxe Convertible, all steel fenders. It's a retro rod. That means it's restored, keeping the original flavor. It has door handles, running boards, the chrome white walls, but yet it's updated with all the modern goodies. It has a LT1 fuel-injected Corvette motor, air conditioning, overdrive transmission. It's a really well-built car. Only about 3,500 miles since it was done. It's body off frame restored. Whole underneath is done beautifully. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures top to bottom, and that's where you'll find the price tags on over 200 collector cars that we offer for sale. volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. Yeah, as I just said, the body was off the frame, and it is meticulous under there. There's not an item that was not replaced or restored. First of all, the bottom of the car is perfect, clean metal painted gloss black. It's smooth, clean, beautiful metal under the car. It's the original frame, all prepped and painted a dark red, matches the seats or the wheels. Up front, it has a Heights Mustang 2 independent suspension grafted onto the frame real nicely. It's got coilover shocks, rack and pinion steering. It's got disc brakes. And everything under there, like I said, is new. The whole brake system's new. It has emergency brake cables. It's got a new, I think it's a polyurethane gas tank, a plastic gas tank with the new sending unit, new fuel lines. Real nice dual exhaust system. I think they're Flowmaster mufflers. It's hard to memorize everything in the videos. That's why you can go to the website and read the specs and look at all the pictures too. It's got a nice stance. It's got lowering springs in back. All the rear suspension's new. The leaf springs, bushings. It has lowering blocks, I should say. Bottom of the motor is clean. You look at the transmission, it's clean. It's a 4L60E. That's a GM electronic overdrive transmission. And it's a Ford 9-inch in the back that's all rebuilt. Transmission and rear end are rebuilt, and it's got 3-to-1 gear ratio. It's just a nice cruising car. I don't think I forgot anything, but again, front to back underneath the car is like new. The body is fantastic, and again, it's all metal. I just put my magnet on all the fenders. They're metal, solid metal too. That's not tin, that's metal, that's steel. This is all real nice. I don't see any problems. The gap is nice. There are no bubbles, no issues. This is all nice. Got nice welting between the body and the fender. All real nice. Trunk is all real nice. LED tail lights. The moldings have all been replaced. The emblems, the handle, the bumper, all replaced. Has a V8 on the gas cap. That's pretty cool. Still no issues with the body. It's all excellent. Nice and straight, no bubbles, fits nice, all the trim is real nice. Even the vent window frames, it's got smoked glass. Well, Ford Deluxe has a little bit of red on the edges of it. The colors are great on this car. Simple but great. The hood, fender, everything's looking real good. I don't see any issues with the body. Now the paint itself is polished really smooth. There might be a little minor, insignificant flaw here or there, a little nick or a little touch-up, but the body is excellent. The paint is a 9 out of 10 for sure. Everything up here, all the chrome and trim, headlight bezels, all are new. Looks like LED bulbs, probably the turn signals right there. Now the motor is an LT1 Corvette. That'd be from the 90s, I believe. Fuel injection. It's got a new Excel ignition system. You got power brakes, chrome alternator, chrome AC compressor, modern power steering. It's got ceramic coated headers. The engine bay is all painted real nice. And again, everything, every nut, bolt, all of it is just beautiful, meticulously done. It says Corvette right on the cover of the intake. Black cloth canvas, really nice. The convertible top is just the same. It's all black canvas. The header board here is refinished, all new weather strip. It looks like the chrome trim. The whole top assembly looks restored. Someone got lazy. They're supposed to fold this in before they put the top down, and that would snap down a lot nicer looking. Trunk compartment's all boxed and upholstered, just as nice as the interior. Got premium carpet. It's like carpet you'd find in an old vintage Mercedes with bound edges. There's a little compartment. You can open the door, and there's some storage back there. You can tell the guy's meticulous. It has a bag to put the boot in, and things are labeled. He has sticky notes all over the car for us, and it comes with some literature to help the new owner. So the seats, the cushions are excellent. It's all red leather interior. You got red seat belts front and back. The door panels are all done to match. The dash is beautiful. It has VHX gauges in there. They have a retro look to them, but they're all new and modern. It's got a nice steering wheel on a tilt column. It's the original style steering wheel. The AC controls are below the dash, so are the vents. It has a stereo built into the dash. All the knobs are real nice here. The glass is replaced. The frames are real nice. I told you about the carpet. It has matching floor mats, all with bound edges. The cushion in the seats are real good. Just a first-class car. I would keep this one. If we were to close our doors tomorrow and I could keep 5 cars, this would be one of them. It's got the rubber on the running boards just like the original. The wheels, they're the original look to the wheel, but you can see the back one is deeper, wider. They're Coker Classic radial white walls, fatter in the back. Give it a little bit of that hot rod look. I just want to see what the gauge, oh yeah, it's all digital, even though it has the needles, it looks vintage. Yeah, they light up red, very cool. The controls for the heat and AC are backlit. Got some nice billet pedals. Got speakers down in the kick panels. The visors are redone. Really, everywhere I look, it was all done right. There's nothing on this car that I'm thinking, oh, I would have done that better. It's all done just the way I would want it done. So there you have it. Beautiful, classy car. This is timeless. This is not going to go out of style. It costs far more than we're asking to duplicate a car like this. So that's my impression. You can go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to reach out to the salespeople. And if you have questions or concerns, they'll help the best they can. They can get this delivered to your door. They can help you even get it financed. That's at volocars.com. Don't miss out on this one. If you're thinking about it, call right away. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. That way you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.